Scooters are a precious commodity at Fresno State. They take students from class to class or from far away parked cars to class. But what many may not realize is the risk involved in these motorized vehicles.
So I had an accident where I don't actually remember what happened because of the accident, but I was either hit or I fell because of the road itself and I was concussed.
Since 2023, there have been over 120 scooter-related accidents reported to the health center.
And I think it's important to keep in mind those are just the ones that come into the health center. There certainly are many other incidents that likely happen on campus or around the campus that do not get reported here.
These crashes include broken arms, broken legs, missing teeth, but one of the most dangerous is concussions.
I could not think straight for a while. I was doing really bad in school.
Long-term brain injury can be a result of scooter collisions, especially if you're not wearing a helmet.
I've definitely had a lot of problems just thinking overall, just cognitive skills.
The health center had to add in a new code specifically for scooter injuries. They've seen as many as 5 in one day. Some riders go back onto the scooter, some never again.
I do not touch that scooter at all. It is sitting in my garage and it will not move.
And now, it looks like no one will be touching their scooter on campus in the fall. At Fresno State, Isaac Marquez, Fresno State Focus.